Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskruti and I created this wedding guest makeup look, and if you want to know how I create this look, then keep on watching the video till the end. So the first I'm going to apply my moisturizer to moisturize my face properly so that my makeup will look flawless and smooth. And yes, I'm just massaging it properly into my skin so that it absorbs into my skin properly. In next step, I will apply my sunscreen. If you are going to a daytime party or daytime wedding, you need to apply sunscreen. So I'm applying the sunscreen and just dabbing it into my skin properly so that it works properly into my skin. It is really very important. In next step, I'm using my primer. Priming my face is really very important because it makes our makeup stays for a very long time, also give a very smooth and clear surface to glide our foundation. So I'm doing that. For some color correcting, I'm using the Huda Beauty color corrector in the shade orange, and I'm just applying it some of the pigmented part of my skin as I got some pimple in my skin, also some dark patches, and I will just going to apply it in some of the few of the area, and I'm going to blend it out using my beauty blender. As you can see, it perfectly blends into the skin. For my foundation, I'm using this Nykaa SKINgenius and just dotting out into my skin, and using my beauty blender, I'm going to blend this foundation into my skin. This foundation is really very good, very good coverage as long lasting. I love it quite a lot and perfect for the summer season as it gives the medium coverage to the skin. And I'm just applying it as a concealer also, as I don't have any dark circle going on. For compact, I'm using this Maybelline New York and just dabbing it properly so that my foundation stick to the place and do not move any other way. And then I'm going to using this CLAIR glimmer stick, and I'm just going to line it on my eyelid as an eyeliner because I don't want any eyeshadow, just doing some different in my look. So I'm just doing that, and I'm just going to apply this eyeliner in my eyelid properly. Then I will move to my kohl, and for my kohl I'm using this Blue Heaven kajal in the shade black, and I'm just going to apply it on my lower tight line of my eyes, and also I'm going to apply it on the eyelid also, and you can see how it looks so good and so different in my look. For my mascara, I'm using this Essence Lash Mania. I love it. It just gives a very defining, lengthening and volume look. For blusher, I'm using this Miss Claire blusher and just dusting out some blush into my skin to give that perfect color. And for my highlighter, I'm using this Miss Claire Illuminator, and highlighting my high points or my highlight points. For my lipstick, I'm using this NY Very One, and voila, I'm ready with my look. And this is what I created, and I think very different, very classy. I hope you like this video. If you, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and in this is Sanskruti signing off. Stay tuned with my channel. Bye.